Alright, these are going to be the elevators at the Foothills Mall parking garage, Fort Collins, Colorado. I had no clue these were here. Oh, that's cool. Kone Eco discs, and the lights came on as the cab opened. Four. Aww. I think they used to be glass and they covered up the window. That's stupid. Hello. That's incredibly dumb. What's the point of that? There's no point to that. KSS140. Pretty certain these were added on to the mall when they redid the mall. The arrow on this one works. I'll send this one down to 1 and we'll go for the other one. You can kind of see that over there. There it goes. Here's the other one. Yeah, that's stupid. I didn't think they were going to cover up the windows like that. That's lovely. Door close doesn't work on this one? Interesting. Yeah, you can't even see out at all. That's stupid. This one's crappy. Alright, I think I'm gonna end up here. Alright, and that'll be it.